Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own hair gel using aloe vera and gelatin powder. Also, any carrier oil or essential oil of your choice. Now, aloe vera has many benefits. It promotes hair growth, it soothes your scalp, and it will condition your hair and lock in nutrients and hydration. If you don't have an aloe vera plant at home, you can find it anywhere, especially at your local supermarket or farmer's market. It's about $1 or less per aloe vera plant, so it's actually pretty affordable and not hard to find. Gelatin is a protein derived from collagen. It's not vegan, so please be advised that it's derived from animals. It is, however, a natural ingredient. Now, research does show that gelatin can improve hair thickness and growth. It has many essential benefits, especially if you do ingest it or consume it with your food. Now, as you can see here, I'm just basically following the steps or the instructions as listed on my gelatin powder box, and you can do the same, just normal procedure before we go on with our recipe. I'm just pouring in my aloe vera gel that I set aside. I'm pouring that into my liquid, my gelatin liquid. As my carrier oil, I chose to use almond oil. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, phospholipids, vitamin E, and magnesium. It promotes growth by slowing down hair breakage and split end. You may use any carrier moisturizing oil of your choice, along with the best essential oil that you can find suitable for this recipe. So you made it this far. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.